are Ariana, Pedro, Shane, Brielle, and Julie. The name of our team is the Speedy Saints. We are from Unity Charter School in Morristown, New Jersey. We were inspired by high-end sports cars such as Lambos, Porsche, Audis, and the Bugatti. In the design, we had to think about weight, gear ratio, aerodynamics, material selection, solar power, energy, concepts such as speed, acceleration.
For our solar sprint car, we used balsa wood for our chassis. Next, we sanded down the wood to smooth out the rough surfaces. After testing the placement of our gears, motor, and spin of the axles, we realized that we needed hot glued straws to the bottom of our chassis to allow the axles to spin without friction.
The hardest part was figuring out how to hook up the leads from the motor to power the source of our solar sprint car. We had to figure out how to connect the leads to the motor.
To get our motor to spin, we had to figure out the best gear ratio. We selected two gears, one with 30 teeth and another with 40 teeth. We selected these gears because the small gears were not producing enough rotation to get our car running.
One challenge we faced is the gear attached to the motor would not move when it would spin too fast, and the teeth of the gears would not be a proper alignment. Also, the weight of the car is not balanced. It is causing the car to not move and steer in one continuous direction.